How to fix Discord error code 2001. Hello friends, follow the steps. First of all, delete the Discord cache. For this, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to the drive where Windows is installed. Go to the Users folder. Open your username folder. Then go to App Data. Open the roaming folder. Look for Discord and delete this folder. This action can't be completed because the folder or a file in it is open in another program. If Discord is running on your computer, close it and then try again. Click on try again. Again the same error message appears. If this message also appears on your computer, right click on taskbar and select Task Manager. Find Discord related process in this list. These are Discord related processes. We will have to end task these processes. Right click on the process. Select end task. Again click on try again. Deleted. Close the folder and delete the temp file. Right click on start. Select run. Type temp. Click on OK. Select all the items here and click on delete. Check this box and click on skip. In the same way, again open the run dialog box. This time type %temp%. Click on OK. Select all the items here and click on delete. Check this box and click on skip. Continue. Again check this box, skip. Close the folder. Then try to launch Discord and try to log into this app. If the issue still appears, uninstall and reinstall the Discord app. For this, right click on Start, select Installed Apps. Look for Discord in this list. If not found, type Discord in the search box. This one. For Discord, click on 3 dots. Click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall. Uninstalled. Close the settings app and go to the official website of Discord and then download the app. After downloading is completed, click on the setup file. Log into the app. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.